Hi mga Philnips. Nandito kami ngayon sa Costco. Kami naghahanap ng parking. Oh my God, tingnan nyo dito mga Philnips. First time ko sa Costco dito kasi bagong gawa. Mahirap maghanap ng parking. But lots of people are leaving now. No? You just need to wait for them. Can I turn from here?
We can go there. There's a lot of parking.
Oh, okay. Let's try on the other side. Okay, we
Also
got the
the food.
parking. Okay, let's go inside.
Red Bull sponsor me.
Crazy. We're not sponsored. Okay, let's do shopping for Christmas now. Let's see you inside. Nandito na kami sa loob, mga Philnips. Malaki din yung Costco na ginawa nila dito, ah. Tara, shopping na tayo. So, ang daming tao. Malaki din. Tara, ikot-ikot tayo. Gusto niyo ng chicken, mga Philnips? Roasted chicken. How much is this? $7.99. What is this? Buffalo hot chicken wings. Ooh. Wow, look at that cakes. Happy, this one, Merry Christmas. Wow, platter. I'll give it here.
Raw fish, Frodo.
Our chef here doesn't know what to cook. Still confused. Confused. Nakakaloka dito bumili sa Costco. Ang laki-laki. Iikutin mo talaga siya eh, no? Ang hirap mag-ikot-ikot. Yung asawa ko, ayan. Hindi alam ko anong bibilhin. Namimili kami ngayon ng mga panghanda sa Christmas kasi nag-invite kami ng mga friends and relatives ng asawa ko. So, mag-Christmas party kami sa bahay. At ngayon, kami nag-grocery ng mga lulutuin naming dalawa. Wala kaming specific menu kaya nahihirapan kaming mamili. Kaya bahala na. Let's see kung anong mabili namin. Let's go!